we got to give another review on the gamer gloves. So my initial review, I got my gloves in, right? I got my gloves in, and they were a little big. They felt a little big. The thumbs were a little funny, right? Were a little funny. And I went on the size chart. I was just a little over the where it said I needed like a large pair, right? In that ballpark. And I was real, like, okay, I'm gonna do what it says. So I posted my review. Other than that, I really liked them. Posted my review, and I tagged gamer gloves and whatnot. They turned around and sent me two pair of medium large, which those guys, they fit. I don't know if I'm some kind of freak bastard. They fit kind of snug, right? Like, so I thought, okay, well, let me cut the fingers off of them, off of one pair, off the orange pair. So cut the fingers off, I put them on, and they still felt like I was getting a hand workout, right? It felt a little snug. So I said, well, let me put the other ones back on and cut the thumbs off. Let's just cut the rest of them off. And these things are great. Gamer gloves, you might want to look into just making some fingerless gloves, some convertibles, because all your issues is with this stuff right here, right? This is where you get all your stuff. And I used my a custom-made Damascus that I got from another streamer, Rogers Customs. If y'all aren't following Rogers Customs, you need to do that right now. Suchikuchi, another streamer, made this badass. Chief, for my knife. Anyway, I can't say enough good things about the gamer gloves, guys. They turned around, sent me some free stuff. Have been awesome to work with. I mean, like, it was pretty cool, and I really like wearing these things when I play, and having so the gloves, customer support. Well, I recommend them 100%. I say yeehaw. Go get you a pair.